everyone, welcome back to my new video. Only use 2 simple ingredients and it looks like that. Let's start. So firstly you need the empty bottle. Here it's the aloe gel and put the aloe gel in the empty bottle. I have just the right amount of aloe gel and then I'll mix the aloe gel with food coloring. A little bit, mix it well, add more. Wow, look the color! Wow, I'm quite amazed. Wow, look! And then I will try it on my lips. Only 2 ingredients. And then you have a lot of lip stain that you can use for a while. Ta-da! It's done! I don't have any lipsticks. You could just use a Q-tip. It's very red, right? Oh, it works! Wow! The color is really good. I think I need to use a brush. I'm really amazed to this result. This is like very bright red, like bloody red. I'll put the links where you can get the aloe gel and food coloring in the description box. You can make tons of lip stain and you don't need to buy lip stain anymore. You just make your own. You use a different container to store it. You can carry it when you go out. Like the container that's similar to this, put the lip stain in here after I finish this up. Smells really good. It's with the aloe gel, so it smells like aloe gel. If you don't want this too watering, you just add less food coloring in it. You can have all different colors you like and with different food colorings like orange, rose, or you can mix your own color. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next video soon. Bye bye!